Hello everybody and welcome to the 7th exercise of this class. This time I want to talk you about details. Details are important, and as Paul Auster said, the truth of the story lies in the details. And in photography is the same thing. Between a good photograph and a great photograph, a lot of time the difference is in the details. It's not very easy to check all the different details and organize all the details in an image when you are taking a picture. And to learn how to do this and to learn how to have attention to the details, the exercise is very simple. Just take a subject. It can be the same subject you used in other exercises. Look around you, choose a subject, and only photograph details. You only need to concentrate on the details. It's something that will let you understand how with just a detail you can change the meaning of an image. Also, if you want an idea of how it works, if you imagine lately all the brochures and communication, for example, for cars, if you look at the luxury cars dealer and you look online and you download the brochure and you look, and most of the photographs are details. Right now I think that half of the details are concentrated on something that is the connection, so you will see displays, touch screens and all these kind of things, and only few things are really few images are of the car in the ambience or something like that. And details can be great, first of all, to tell a story. If you are doing a little project and telling a story, it can be great to insert some details, some little things that can show a lot of meaning. I give you an example. If you are in Italy and you are telling a story about your vacation in Italy, if you just insert a little detail of a glass of wine and a piece of bread, that's Italy. So you give the idea of the place where you are, you give the mood with the details. And also when you take a large image, a single image that can contain a lot of things, you must be careful of the details. I remember taking one day beautiful pictures of my grandparents' house, and I was in the kitchen and I was taking these pictures, and at the end I never noticed, but when I printed the pictures I noticed that my bag was forgotten, my camera bag was forgotten in a corner of the room, and all the image was ruined. And it was something that was really as very small detail that I didn't notice when I took the image. So these kind of things can happen. Wrong detail can be a sign on a road or something like that. But if you learn to use details in your favor, you will also learn to avoid the details that distract you from the story. So the exercise is very simple. Just concentrate on details. Try to show your subject, to describe your subject not as a whole, but as only as a sum of details. Just find one detail that will let the people understand what you are talking about. So this is the exercise. As usual, please share it here on the group, on the project page, so we can continue to talk about it also out of the class, and especially share if this exercise and how this exercise changed your perception. Thank you for watching. See you next time.